Hi, I'm the chemical burn from the spiral perm, Trixie Mattel.
What? You have the nerve! You have the nerve! You have a lot of nerve! That do take nerve.
What would you say?
It might have even been a comp ticket.
This isn't, I don't really respond to this very much.
Well, I think a lot of gay guys,
Benny
they want
Hill
like,
soundtrack.
they want like, like Venga Boys. If you're not f***ing at Venga Boys, are you f***ing? Venga Boys.
Mambo number 5.
Yeah, Mambo number 5. Tub thumping. Chumbawamba. We'll be saying it. Right when I nut. He drinks a whiskey drink? Yes, for sure. Vitamin C graduation. That's my list right there.
You,
Still
world's
alive.
chunkiest ass. World's chunkiest ass.
God doesn't give with both hands, and I got this tight. You pushed out 3 wet ones. And then a dry one. It's just like cat food.
Try cat pellets.
A black cone. A black cone.
Does this look like a girl? And she would have pulled out her ass that was hairy and been like, yes, you're a woman.
And I'm Betsy. And I'm Betsy Johnson, starring in the straight-to-video, soon-to-be classic Gothbusters. Katya.
And I kind of just like, they're driving and I walk by like, excuse me, why are you driving? You could be. I gotta tell you this. I do not drive a car, but I do have. I also love people who are famous for one thing. That's the power of Pie and Sol, baby. Like, I wanna meet her. The Pine Sol lady. Did you know with Pine Sol you only need a cap full? Working.
It's not the vitamins, honey.
It's jeans.
It's something else, yeah. It's just,
She goes to Burning Man. Do you think she does like?
that's what it is.
I bet she had a
Ayahuasca.
pregnancy scare at Burning Man and got her whole life together. To him.
How
Do you know how
long
bad
after?
I wanted him to shove a gun right up my ass? Like, being pulled over is equal parts hot, equal parts scary. Sometimes fear and sexuality overlap.
Yeah,